Remarkable.
This is
He was thinking of how you could save stuff, and
I'm just wondering where they'll get the tracks from for the wheels.
tank track
We've
thing.
gone back to tank tracks. I thought we'd gone off tank tracks.
Not yet.
Shrink wrapping it, so that's what he thinks he's doing.
It's clever.
magic board. I don't know what part of that is because it's easily shortcut over there, isn't it?
So what is he actually doing?
Doing it just insulates it, shrinks it down. I'd have put black on red and red on black and confused everybody.
Is that when you go to disarm a bomb?
You're thinking, no, shit.
Do you know the thing I don't get about the films when they disarm bombs is surely if everybody knows you disarm with the red one, they're going to change it around.
They do, that's it, that's what it is, isn't it?
Do they not have to look where the wire's coming from?
I think that's the art of bomb disposable, knowing
Like terrorists use a colour
Well,
coordinate system.
I think the thing is, before you can get to where the wires are coming from, the thing goes boom. You've got to dismantle this arm before you get there.
his usual thing of just smashing things.
Oh, that's fun.
Well, I'm impressed with your dexterity.
Oh yeah, they know what they're doing.
I'm not calling, I'm just older.
Well, I was going to say these two do, then you're going to...
Okay, it's a good job these two do because Miss Cunningham knows what they're doing.